Alright guys, so what's up? Welcome back. So ngayon, naulan, yan, hindi ako makapag-bike. So ngayon, ang gagawin po natin, i-bike check po natin ang ating bike. Yan. I-bike check po natin siya ngayon. So, let's get right into it!
Let's get it!
Hear the sound of the bells when the Lord gone, and them boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the dogs put their paws on. You gon' tell them that it go a little bit up.
So, start po tayo sa cockpit. So, ang cockpit po natin, meron po tayong curvativeness din. Meron po tayong Amoeba Borla na 30mm rise handlebars, and I've got a Saturn headset from top to bottom. Yan po, seal bearing headset. And for our shifter, we have a 09 speed, pero po ang drivetrain po natin ay 10 speed. Yan, wala po tayong pambiling shifter. Meron po tayong Shimano M315 brake set. Papalitan na rin po natin yan in time. So meron naman po tayong fork po natin ay Merzoki Bomber MZ Super Comp. So 130mm travel coil with rebound and preload adjustment. Without lockout po to kasi po jump fork po siya, kaya we don't need lockouts. And our rotors is SRAM 180mm rotors. At caliper ay Shimano M315. Ang adapter po niya ay Bengal 180mm na adapter for brake calipers. Ang hub po natin sa front and rear ay Sword SW03 6-pulse hub. Yan, budget nyo lang yan. Tire po natin ay Maxxis High Roller 2.35 ST Plus and tubeless ready. Application niya po ay for downhill. Right, seat post. Ang seat post po natin ay between na seat post ng 7.5 na yan, may kli lang po siya. Yan po, hindi ko makita ng ayos. May crankset po natin L2 34 tooth na 34 teeth na crankset na 1x. Hello Tech. And our pedals is Truvative Hose Feller. Yan. So, ang ating RD ay Dior, Shimano Dior. Then Nasis 10 speed with clutch system. Yan. Aluminum. At Sagmit 46 teeth na cogs. So, papalitan po natin yan ng Dior XT na cogs na 42 teeth. Yan. Yan po ang ating drivetrain. At Shimano 10 speed without missing link chain. Rear rotor po natin ay 160mm Shimano rotors. Yan. With M315 brake calipers. At Sword SW03 hub, rear hub. At ang rear tire po ay Maxxis High Roller din po, downhill. Okay guys, so yun, nag-bike check po tayo ngayon dahil po wala talaga akong magawa ngayon dahil nabagyo. Yan, check natin. Baka bukas po mag-ride tayo habang OTV friends. Bike check din natin ang mga bike nila. And so thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.